This is one of the very popular tea in Korea. It comes in a tea bag too, but I buy it actual root like that. When you make tea out of these, it's really nutty in flavor. This is also very popular in Korea. This also gives a little bit of a nutty taste, but more herby taste, I guess. And I got this because it's so cheap. This bag literally cost me like less than $3, I think. It's just organic corn. They're toasted. Mom gave me this old kettle. She said it was like, I don't know, like 20 years old. I tried to take care of it. It's really big. Do you want some?
어?
내 머리?
왜 이렇게 해야 되냐고.
똥머리인데? 이거 똥머리라고 그래, 한국에서 똥머리.
That looks like more like pineapple 머리. 어? It's so cute. Come here.
I'm so glad they made this vegan. Are you sure you don't want one?
이렇게.
되게 크다. 아, 더 많을 것 같아, 물건이. white truffle popcorn. You know, vegans are not allowed to wear Uggs, right?
Yeah, why are you wearing it?
Look how old my Uggs are. Okay, these Uggs are literally more than 10 years old. Look at the bottom of it. It's so old. I will never buy a brand new one, but I got these before going vegan, so I still wear them. It's so ugly and so old.
So you're gonna get so much crap.
Why? A lot of vegans wear leather and stuff like this because if you bought this before going vegan, what would you do? Just trash it?
I don't know.
Exactly. So you wear it out. You just have to make sure you don't buy it. Look how old this is. 한기, 내 머리 진짜 길지 않아? 머리 잘라야 되는데. 한기, 내 머리살 어때?
Please. Yeah, I'll show you the anime character. You kind of look like her.
Really? There's an anime character that looks like this? 한기, well, Lady Gaga would do something like this crazy stuff. Look, like this. 내가 이 여자 얼굴을 내가 해줄게. 아, 뜨거!
아 그거. 아 그거. It's cold.
너무 좋다. Oh, it's too cold though. I like eating this in the car.
She's eating out tomorrow.
No. So you ask for no cheese, no nothing. They just give you pickle and ketchup. So what I do,
What's this? It's not good. It's big.
nice, nice.
They're artificial.
Cheese,
About who?
habanero. Oh my god. Oh, that's a lot.
Mom, do they even know that I cut my hair?
Polynesian sauce. With the fries in it. This becomes like Chick-fil-A and Burger King.
Yeah.
If you like the Impossible Vegan Burger.
For you?
Are you vegan because I'm vegan?
No, because I don't like eating animals.
Oh, you don't like eating animals?
They're dying, but they don't even get to choose. So we can eat.
You know what we call that? We call that ethical vegan. One, vegan who just eats plants because they like to eat plants. They don't want to eat animal, right? Then there are vegans out there that don't eat because they really do care about how they die. So it's like what you said, like you care about their feelings, right? And you call them ethical vegans. So you must be an ethical vegan then.
You're a vegan?
I used to be a healthy vegan. Vegan for the health. At the end, towards the end of my veganism, I learned. But in the beginning, I was vegan because I wanted to lose weight.